In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Notion. This is a handy guide if you want to streamline your workflow by ensuring that your communications and task management tools work together seamlessly. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to open your Notion workspace. This is your main hub where all your projects, tasks, and notes live. And it's imperative we start here because this is where we'll enable the integration. Once there, take a look at the top left corner of your sidebar. This is where you'll find your settings. Click on the Settings option to proceed. From the Settings menu, navigate over to the Connections tab. This tab allows you to manage and create connections with other applications, essentially opening doors for Notion to interact with external tools. It's a crucial step to ensure smooth information flow between applications. Now, scan through your options until you see the Connect Slack option. Click on it to start configuring the integration. This step initiates the connection process between Slack and Notion, paving the way for your notifications in Notion to appear directly in your Slack channels. You will be prompted to choose your Slack workspace next. Make sure to pick the correct workspace where you'd like this connection to be active, then click Allow. This permission allows Notion to send messages to Slack, ensuring you don't miss any vital updates from your Notion workspace. Next, head over to any specific Notion page that you want closely monitored for updates or changes. For example, it could be a project management board or a team task list. Any page where keeping up with updates is vital. In the top right corner of that page, you'll notice 3 dots grouped together. That's your menu icon for additional page options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select the Connect Slack channel option. This selection is integral because it's where you'll specifically link a Slack channel to receive notifications from changes or updates on this particular Notion page. Finally, you'll need to decide which Slack channel should receive these notifications. Carefully choose the channel that will be most useful for you or your team, whether it's a general updates channel or a more focused project-specific one. Once you've made your choice, complete the integration, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Notion, allowing you to seamlessly monitor updates from your Notion workspace through Slack notifications. This integration helps in keeping communication efficient and effective, ensuring that you're right on top of your tasks and projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in improving your workflow.